Hello everybody, and today I'm going to make some replicas of these engine gauges because the ones here just don't seem to work all that great. So I had to open up ye old AutoCAD 2004. I haven't used it in about 20 years, but here I'm making the body and the needle for the engine gauges. So now we're just going to slice it and send it to the 3D printer. So super cool, everybody. This is the part that I made, and it's an engine gauge. So I need to make the little thing here for it, but it runs off of a little micro servo, and it just screws right into there, and then these will screw into the pan, or whatever you'd want to call it, that holds all of the engine gauges. So here's the originals with that pan or tray, whatever you'd want to call it. And it's not tall enough, as you can see, to fit my gauge bodies. And then this fits over the top there, this little glass shield. It's made out of plexiglass. There we go. So I have to recreate this once again in AutoCAD. So I'm making that, and we're sending it to the printer. This is a brand new Creality 3 Ender 3 V3 SE printer that I just got. So this is what it looks like after taking off the supports. So now I'll just compare the two, and this is the part that I made, and it looks perfect, lines up really nice. So as you can see, it's a little bit deeper there, but it's about the same size as this one with the screws sticking out the back, so clearance won't be an issue or anything. And then of course on the back there I put my logo, my FTDfanatic. The little piece of the ace missing, still pretty cool. And then this piece, it fits over there just like it does on the metal one. Perfect. So now we're going to take it over to the dashboard and fit it up and see how it fits. So we're going to put it in this little hole here, and there we go. And line up the holes, the mounting holes, and see how those line up. There's the top one, perfect. There's the bottom one, perfect. Looks good, everybody. Not bad considering this is what I used to take all of my measurements. So we're going to assemble it here, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to grab the little mounting screws from the bag for the servo, and we'll just put the mounting screws in the little mounting tabs that stick out the side. There's little holes in them. I know you can't see it, but I'm putting those in there. It's just easier to put them in first so that when you fit them down in there, there's not a lot of room in that housing. Just put it down in the housing there, and then screw it in with a screwdriver. I'll just fast forward here. So we got that done. Now we take the pigtail, the wires, and we put them through the little slot in the back. So there's one for each of the gauges. And then just put the gauge down in there. And then on the back, there's 3 holes, and 3 mounting screws go in there. I used M4 4mm plastic screws with a coarse thread, and I put the top one in first. I'll hurry up and just kind of fast forward through screwing these in because it's kind of boring. You get the idea. There's the other 2. Put those in there real quick. And then make sure it's all straightened up, and just snap the needle onto the front of it. Just like that. There it is. And the little tray cover goes over it. Fits perfect. And now there's a little LED. I have 3 little holders for backlighting. So just put the LED in the little holder there. And there's a port on the back that plugs in for the lighting. So these are basically my first product for the FTDfanatic flight simulator kits that everybody has been asking about. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.